Hey, it's Dolly Town with Bookkeeping Town here. How's everyone doing? So today I wanted to just go over how to create an invoice. Seems pretty simple, but there's a few things that you would need to do that. So let me show you how. Um, so when you log in, you will be at your dashboard in your home page through QuickBooks Online. And there's a few different ways in how to create an invoice. The first way is this plus new button. There are many choices here, and it's separated by customers, vendors, employees, and other. So we're going to work on the customers in the next few weeks. So the first one here is create an invoice. So you can go create an invoice from there. You can also go to, yeah, I'm sorry, this is the recording icons. I can't really get out of there, but this is the sales right here. And then you can go to invoices from here, or you can just click on sales, and then you have these tabs up here. And then the overview, there's shortcuts down here. So you can create an invoice from here. And then if you go to all sales, new transaction, and then you can create an invoice there. And also in the invoices section, you can create an invoice here. So there are many ways on how to create an invoice. So let's get a customer. Let's choose Cool Cars. I like that name. So you can see that it's auto-populated with the information. So what this um, business owner did was they went into the customers section, added this information, their email, their address, and all that. And once you put that customer name now, it auto-populates all of that information. So the net terms are right here, and you can go ahead and change the net terms. And if those net terms are not listed here, you can just add new, and then you can just say due in, I don't know, 25 days. Okay. And then you're going to have to do due in fixed number of days, which is 25, and then save. And then it'll be right there. All right. And then here's your invoice date. And this will adjust to what the terms are. So if you just put 10 days, it'll change the date here, which is pretty cool. I never use this option, but if you have a crew number, you can do that. And then you pick your product or service, whatever you have. So let's just say gardening. And then this would be a weekly gardening service. This would be one. And let's just say it's $100. And when you set up the product or service, there is an option to tell QuickBooks if it's taxable or non-taxable. And if you did choose taxable, this would be checked off. Or if you need it to be taxable for some reason, you can just check that off. And then it'll auto calculate here. Like you can just choose whatever. This business owner actually has 2 states where his locations are located. So he would have to choose between the 2. He set up 2 sales tax states. And then it'll just automatically calculate it here. But usually a service is not taxed. It's usually materials, products. All right, so that is the invoice. You can put any message you want on here. You can just leave it as it is. And then you can save, which gives you the invoice number, which is what I do. I'll just give you an example. So it gave me invoice 1039, right? and then I usually save that, print it, you download it, and then it transfers it to a PDF file. I save that file, and then I have it for my records. Just, I can just send it in an attachment to the client with an email, if I choose to do it that way. Or you can go here, save and send, and this will email the invoice itself to the client. And also you can, once they receive it, they'll have, doesn't show it here, but they will have a pay now button right in the middle here, and they can pay with a credit card or or a checking account, a checking or savings account. So it's really quick and easy for them as well. You can change the subject, you can change the body of this. Let me see what happens in the training mode. Yeah, so it doesn't really show you anything because I'm in training mode here. But yeah, that's how you create an invoice and send it to your customers. If you have any questions at all, or comments, you can write them right below. You can subscribe to my channel, and yeah, have a good day. All right, I hope this was helpful for everyone. Bye.